Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Soundpad to play sound effects in your real-time gameplay. So once you've downloaded Soundpad, what you need to do is, and this is free, you'll have the 64-bit or the 32-bit, which you can download. And what you'll now do is go up to File, and you'll come down to Preferences. And here's where you can set all of your preferences. So if you start in audio, you can just test your voice volume. So check what it sounds like now, and then just go and change it accordingly. The other thing that you can actually change here is your hotkeys. So if you are in game and you don't have to go out, come back in to record, all you'd have to do is set a hotkey for your start playback and stop playback. So these are the only two hotkeys you would have to set. So you'd select it, click on set hotkey and press a key. So here we go. I'm going to press Q, for example, and here I'm going to set this one as W. And now you can see in game, if you're using those keys, if they're not assigned to something else in the game, that is what will happen. It'll actually play the sound. All right, so what we want to do then after is you can go run through your interface, and then your device, your playback device over here. Make sure that it is headphones, and then under recording devices, make sure that you've selected the correct microphone. Go to recorder. Here you will see where all of your files are being saved to your device. You can save it as a different format. You can add it to a different category, and then there are some additional options. The editor, you'll be allowed to use an external sound editor if you'd like to put that on. Notifications, you can run through that, of course, and updates, make sure that you are staying updated. Okay, and then you can just click on apply to apply all of those changes. When you actually record, up at the top right hand side, you'll see this start recording, and I'll show you exactly how it goes. Hello! Very simple, and you'll see it is recorded, and this is it right over here. Now, if you want to use your mic, you can click on this button. If you want to use your speakers, so basically if you go into YouTube or if you go into somewhere where you'd like to play a sound, that sound will be played and you'll be recording a digital version of that sound. And again, it'll just be recorded here and you can use it during your gameplay. Now, if you right click on each one of these sounds, you can actually go and you can set a hotkey. So here you want to set a specific hotkey for a specific sound. So in game, you can have a specific sound for this specific hotkey. And then you set up, once you've set all of these hotkeys and you've calibrated your microphone and your voice and your volume, then you're ready to use Soundpad in gameplay.